All right, here's a quick video for all the people that reckon, oh, just use the aftermarket coolant, it's the same thing. Well, you can see it's pretty red or pink like the Toyota stuff. You can see the corrosion, unlike the Toyota stuff. Have a look at all that crustiness. If aftermarket coolant's just as good and good enough, then what are we looking at here? It looks like a non-genuine Toyota to me. Once again, all those pink bits of coolant look good, but look at the staining inside the container. The genuine stuff doesn't do that. Sorry about the sun and the shade, but you get the picture. Quick video. Right, there it is coming out. I wouldn't say it's in bad condition, but that's not what genuine plastic Toyota containers look like with genuine coolant. When I say genuine coolant, this is what I'm talking about. This is what we use. We have it in stock. If you come in to pick up your BFE kit, if you're around north or west side of Melbourne, or you're getting an inspection done and you want to pick up a BFE kit to do it yourself or something along those lines, we've got it here in stock. You can pick it up, which works out better value for money without the postage, and you can get your coolant, so it saves a trip to the Toyota dealer. We've got heaps of videos on this BFE job, so I'm not going to talk about that, but this one's in the process at the moment. All this cleaning, all the crud out of the radiator. Once again, how can the air flow through that radiator to keep this engine cooling system cool, to help prevent engine failures, e.g. cooling system, cool down engine, cracked pistons, if cooling system air not flowing, right? Makes sense. And this stuff, if you can see that there, imagine what else could be happening somewhere in your engine that you can't see. Let's take a look down here. Aftermarket oil pumps, paper gaskets that have created probably about an extra hour's work of scraping and cleaning this gasket off, instead of just using the genuine parts with the genuine gaskets. So we've got the BFE kits on the shelf. Come and see me, pick one up, get your vehicle inspection. I'll let you know what it needs, what it doesn't. That's how I roll. I just tell you what you really need to do. You can save a heap of money not doing things that you don't need. Like this one, you can just tell looking at the brake fluid. How old is that? That is just, it's low, it's old, it needs to be sucked out, refilled, bled through by someone that knows what they're doing, because when it comes to brakes, it's a matter of safety, life and death, life or death, that sort of thing. So yeah, clean all this non-genuine coolant out, get it all cleaned up, do the full BFE job, check your radiator in case there's sometimes there's leaks, but this one looks good. This one's a good one. All right, bada bing bada boom, baby. Catch you on the next video. See ya. Check the playlists, BFE job, if you want more info. It's all there. Even more in the VIP group that you join once you're a client. Catch you on the next video. See ya.